In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a radar chart on Visme. Whether you're crafting a detailed report, designing a presentation, or putting together an infographic, radar charts are an excellent way to visually showcase various data points across multiple categories. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Visme account. If you're already logged in, open the project where you'd like to add the radar chart. Or if you're embarking on a brand new project, feel free to create one now and prepare your canvas for chart making. Once you're in the Visme editor, look towards the left side of your screen for the Data tab. Clicking this will unfold a suite of data-focused tools and options. From here, you want to dive into the Charts and Graphs section. Selecting this option introduces you to the ChartMaker interface, where all the magic happens. Now, on to selecting a radar chart template. Visme offers a range of pre-designed radar chart templates to suit various needs. To find these, simply navigate under the section labeled Radar Charts. There, you'll spot templates specifically crafted for competitive analysis, such as the Competitive Analysis Report, Radar Chart Template. For something more contemporary, a modern radar chart might be precisely what you're after. Choose the template that best aligns with your project's goals and aesthetic. After you've selected your template and placed it onto your canvas, it's time to input your data. Click directly on the radar chart, and you'll see a data editor appear on your screen. This handy feature looks much like a spreadsheet, allowing for straightforward data entry. Here, input the categories, which will be your axes, and the values for each data series. These could represent a variety of metrics, such as performance indicators across different scenarios. If your data is already compiled in another tool like Google Sheets, Excel, or a CSV file, you can effortlessly import it into Visme's data editor, saving you both time and effort. We're now at the customization stage, where creativity meets precision. With your chart selected, head over to the Settings tab within the chart editor. You have the flexibility to rename the chart title and subtitle to better reflect your data story. Alter axis labels, adjust the scales, and modify the number of divisions or spokes to ensure everything is just right. To distinguish between data series, experiment with different colors for each set or radar area. There's also the option to tweak the legend, switch it on or off, and decide where you'd like it positioned. You can even enable fun features like animation or hover interactions to make your chart more engaging. As you wrap up, pay attention to how your radar chart fits within your overall design. Move or resize it as needed, and use Visme's alignment tools, like grids and guides, to ensure everything is in perfect harmony with the rest of your content. With these steps complete, congratulations! You've successfully created a compelling radar chart on Visme, ready to captivate your audience and clearly convey your data-driven insights.